Hi, friends, and I hope each one of us is safe at homes and taking really, really, really good care of our own selves and our families. And today I'm going to give you a new science, a new way of understanding the new energies of the fifth dimension. It's very important to understand that Mother Earth has shifted from the third dimensional axis to the fifth dimension. So, in a very simple layman's perspective, if I had to make you understand this, it's basically a shift in the frequency of Mother Earth's vibration. In the Schumann resonance, it is an upgradation of energies, right? So whatever was valid in the third dimension is not valid anymore in the fifth dimension. So this video I'm recording from a perspective of giving you the shift in the science of law of attraction. So in the third dimension, when we understood manifestation from the book Secret or other modalities that we learned about manifestation was more of an act of doing. You had to write your gratitude manuals, you had to visualize, you affirmations were the key thing to manifestation. So that was a very 3D concept where the doing was involved. The second thing you have to understand, the shift between the third and the fifth dimension, the time has shifted. So in the third dimension, time is a very, very linear construct. So in the third dimension, there is a very distinct measurement of the past, present, and the future. So when you manifested something in the third dimension, based on the law of attraction, it was manifesting in the now, but it came in the future. So there was a very distinct differentiation between the present and the future. Right. But in the fifth dimension, the timelines have ceased, and time as a construct is no more relevant in the fifth dimension. Yes, it's very, very important to understand this. So there is no past, present, and future. Every energy that's present is present in the now. So, manifestation is a concept that you will embrace in the now, not by doing, but by being. So, the difference between the 3D manifestation law of attraction and the 5D manifestation technique is in the 3D, we function from doing, but in the 5D, it's a being state. So, what are you supposed to be doing in the fifth dimensional manifestation techniques is first, have a mental intention and a mental clarity of what is it that you're asking or what is it that you want to receive from the universe or create, right? The second thing is it's all about feeling the manifestation happen in the now. So literally you have to memorize that feeling that you already have it, and you have to vibrate at that feeling in the now for the manifestation to actualize. Yes, you don't have to write any intentions, because while you're writing, a signal is going into the universe that I'm writing it in the now, but it's going to come in the future. In the 5D energies, my dear friends, like I said, since time is no more a barrier and it's all a very open flow of energy, of space, it's a dimension of more space, everything happens in the now. So number one, intention. Number two, make sure your intention and your feelings are matching in the now. So you're a walking, talking, vibrational machine or a vibration generating machine of what you want to manifest. So it's all about magnetism. The magnetism in the fifth dimension, gravity and electromagnetism have merged. So in the fifth dimension, it's more about your electromagnetic frequencies that are going to be attracting your reality. So literally 24/7, you got to be a walking, talking, vibrational machine of what you want to manifest. So let's say you've done your manifestation now and you vibrated at a certain frequency, and just in the next few minutes or next few hours, you become angry, you become upset, and you screaming, shouting, or you're fearful. So you moved away from your vibrational zone. So the manifestation really gets disrupted, and it will not actualize in your reality. So yes, the whole point here I'm trying to make is 24/7 you have to memorize the feeling of abundance. You must understand that your body and your cells in your body have something called a memory, and anything that you're repeating and repeating and repeating, becomes a mental behavior and a physical behavior. A behavior in action, your body starts memorizing that feeling. Like, for example, since childhood, we've been so much exposed to fear that our bodies have memorized fear, that even when nothing big is happening, we're always in a fearful feeling. Similarly, you got to go through a certain practice where you memorize the abundance feeling of money, good health, good relationships, abundance. So it's very, very important for you to memorize that feeling and keep walking in that vibration 24/7. The fifth dimension is a very, very easy dimension for manifestation and creation if you understand the science behind it. So there's not too much of doing there. Action is just irrelevant in the fifth dimension. Action is only 20% of the whole act of manifestation. 80% is the vibrational reality, where your magnetism, the frequency, the magnetic energy that you're emitting out will be more relevant than the actions that you're doing. So please start training yourself into the new dimension, because this is a new way. It's like, the rules of the game have changed. So in the fifth dimension, anything that was old is obsolete and not going to be working. So it's time you understand the new rules of the game if you want to be the winner of this game of manifestation, my dear friends. And just support yourself with the right kind of knowledge. And anything that's repeated and repeated and repeated over a number of days, your body, your mind, and your emotions memorize that feeling, and it becomes the new normal. So have a great day, my dear friends, and all the best.